Hey, this is Dave Weber. Hey, I just wanted to do a real quick video on free video recording software. This is pretty cool, and it gives you great quality videos too. So now you can record videos very easily. Typically when we have two major problems when we want to get into shooting videos for our marketing needs. The first one is the software is usually expensive. It's like about 300 bucks. And when we're first starting out, we get expenses all over the place, and we don't need more things, whacking away at our budget. So that's one thing. And it's usually pretty difficult to learn how to use the software if it's made for pros, especially if you're new to online marketing. There's so many features that it's kind of overwhelming to a new person. So we want to find something that's easy and simple to use. You want to concentrate on your marketing. That's what you want to focus in on, and getting leads or whatever you're doing. But you don't want to be all bogged down with techno babble stuff. But it's all changed. Now, I have tried all sorts of video recording software apps, some of them free and some that were expensive. But this software, well, it produces great quality videos and it's really easy to use. It's called Screencast-O-Matic, and you can download it at screencast-o-matic.com. Now, when you go to the website, you're going to see a button right there in the browser, Start Recording. That's right, you can do it right from the browser. Go to the website, boom, you can make a video. That easy. Or what I did was I downloaded an application to launch from my Start menu. So all you do is click this link here, download and install, go through the process, and it will download it, and it'll be on your Start menu. Then what you do is go to your Start menu, right click on it, and make a shortcut copy, and put it on your desktop. Just drag it out there, and now double click it from your desktop, and boom, it starts the application. Now the application remembers what size the last video was. So, if you go through this process of trying to figure out which one's better than the other, you can stop right there, and every time you start this, it'll start with the last size. Now, you can drag these squares and make this wider to the right or wider to the left or higher or lower, or you can drag it diagonally and make both, the length and the width and the height, change all at the same time. What's a better thing to do, especially if you're brand new, is use the drop down menu, okay, to select the size. Now, what does that look like? Well, the drop down menu makes it real easy. You can select full screen, full HD, medium HD, small HD. Now, if you're brand new, you don't know what size, ratios, or proportions a small HD or medium HD or full HD is supposed to be. You don't know. Right? So you don't have to worry about it. This is real simple. Click it, that's it, you're done. Or you can select by pixel size, so 1024 by 768 or 800 by 600 or 640 by 480. Now that's the typical size that we would use on like a WordPress blog, or maybe you're doing articles. That's usually the size that you want. So, remember, when you do a video and you record it at a certain size, like 640 by 480, that's the size where it will be the clearest for the person watching the video. Now I'm doing this one on full screen because of PowerPoint, and I've tried it before. It comes out pretty good at 640 by 480, but it's awesome when you select full screen. And that's what I like my viewers to be able to sit back and watch it. So anyway, basically you don't have to worry about moving these if you don't want. Select the size that you want, and just go to town. Now, when you have a size like this one here is at 800 by 600, what you would do is when you open up your browser and you want to show maybe a view of your browser, you minimize your browser to fit inside this box. And then if you want to show a picture, well, you open up the picture and then minimize it, move it around on the screen so it fits inside this box. And you can have all your files open at the bottom, and the person can't see that. So you can just click on the picture, click on untitled, paint, whatever you're going to show in your video, you can just click at the bottom, and it's going to open up in this box, and that's what your viewer reads. So it's really easy. So here's the record button. This is a drop down to select what microphone, like if I'm using a headset, so it can show your microphone that's on your computer or your laptop, or if you're on a headset, it'll show that. So you select which one you want to use. You can click here to select the volume and adjust the volume up or down. Okay, and camera, and then the end. So when you click on the start recording, it's going to count down. It's going to go 3, 2, 1, boom, it starts recording. And then when you're done, you can hit Alt-P to pause it. The controls will pop up, hit the X, and you're done. That's it. It's really, really simple. You can record up to 15-minute videos with the free version. Okay? So, and that's all you need. You know what? The best converting videos, if you're going for leads or marketing something, 2 to 3 minutes. That's the best converting videos. So you don't need 15 minutes, but it's good to know that you have up to 15 minutes. Now, if you're doing a webinar or something like that that's longer, or a training, well, you need more. So they do have a pro version, and you can record any length video that you wish. And then you can publish those videos to Google Drive, Vimeo, Dropbox, or your MLSP video content hosting if you're an MLSP like I am. You can also get a premium hosting account with Screencast-O-Matic, where you can store and brand your videos to your own domain name. You can keep them up online on their server, and then they'll just charge you what they call bandwidth. They're basically going to charge you for how many times it's played by how many people. So Pro, what is that? $15 for a year. So there's only one thing better than getting something for free, and that's getting a professional version for a really dirt cheap price, right? $15 for a year. And look, no more watermark when you're publishing. This will have a watermark, you'll see it. And then you can, your recording time's only limited by your disk space on your computer. Hosted in HD, supports playback on most mobile devices, published to Google Drive, Vimeo, Dropbox. You can publish screenshots. You have editing tools, scripts tools. You get screenshot tool. You record system audio. You have webcam only recording. You draw and zoom while you're recording. So you get all these features. You get a professional system for $15. So start out with the free one, see if you like it, and if you do, you don't have to spend $300 yet. You can get $15 and you go. So get started. Create your own videos for free. All right? Check it out. Download it today. After all, it's free. Go to screencast-o-matic.com. And to watch a free recorded webinar on how to use YouTube to get tons of leads for your home-based business or your MLM, click on the link right below this YouTube video, right on this description, and be my guest. You can watch it for free. I'm not going to hassle you for your name and email. It'll be brought to you to one of my websites, and you can just watch it for free and see how you can use YouTube to just pull in leads on a daily basis. And again, it's free. Hey, this is Dave Weber, and I really hope that this free application, this free video software, it is really helpful to you. And I wish you the very best in your business. This is Dave Weber. Thanks a lot.